Columbus Circle, New York City. Nathan's the Animal Abusers, selling hot dogs made of dogs. I'm sorry, factory farm pigs. Here we have a dead pigeon. I'm gonna try to sell pigeon meat to people so that they don't buy factory farm chickens. They also do the cruel horse carriages in busy parts of the city around here. So I'm gonna have a little fun playing with people. Hot dogs made of dogs, fresh from the shelter, $5 a pound. Hot dogs made of dogs. You just take a bucket and a stick, and you pull the stick and you capture the bird. Watch out for the bird. At least they're not factory farm. $5 a pound. Fresh pigeon meat. You pick them, I pluck them, and put them on a stick. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick it, I pluck it. $5 a pound. Fresh pigeon meat. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound. Tastes just like chicken, except a little more bready because of their diets. Fresh pigeon meat. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick them, I pluck them. Tastes just like Chick-fil-A and KFC, except not factory farm. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick them, I pluck them. Very fresh, as fresh as they can get. Fresh pigeon meat, you pick them, I pluck them. $5 a pound. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. It's my special for today. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick it, I pluck it. You pick which one you want. Fresh as they can get. Tastes just like chicken, except they're a little less bready, more bready because of their diets. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick them, I pluck them. Fresh as they can get. Hot dogs made of dogs, $5 a pound. Hot dogs made of dogs. Taste just like pigs and bacon. Attention everyone, I have a special today. $5 a pound, fresh pigeon meat. You pick them, I pluck them, and I'll put them on a stick for you. Tastes just like KFC and Chick-fil-A, except a little more bready. $5 a pound, fresh pigeon meat. You pick them, I pluck them. A special, $5 a pound. I have a special today. Hot dogs made of dogs. Fresh from the shelter. You're not in China. All right, fresh pigeon meat. $5 a pound. Tastes just like chicken. Attention everyone, I got a special for today. $5 a pound, fresh pigeon meat. You pick them, I'll pluck them. Fresh as they can get. And if you're really feeling adventurous, hot dogs made of dogs. Fresh from the shelter. Fresh pigeon meat, anyone? No one wants fresh pigeon meat. See, there's a chicken leg, tastes the same as chicken. Why not eat pigeon? At least the pigeons weren't factory farmed. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound. No takers, I don't get it. They go pay more at Chick-fil-A, so why not? Oh, Nathan's Hot Dogs. I sell hot hot dogs made of dogs, fresh from the shelter. Anyone interested? It's more humane than Nathan's. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. Horse meat, $5 a pound. There's a horse trolley and one of the busiest cities on the busy streets over there too. Nathan's Pig Abuse. Alright, let's head over to the horsies. Sell horse meat. Hey, might as well. Even wear animals like a caveman, wearing animal skins. Psst. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. Hot dogs made of dogs, $3 a pound. Special. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick them, I pluck them, and put them on a stick. Tastes just like chicken. Fresh pigeon meat for sale. Psst. Psst. Fresh pigeon meat, $5 a pound for pigeon meat. You pick them, I pluck them. Psst. Horse meat for sale, $5 a pound. Horse meat for sale, $5. Horse meat. Horse meat for sale, $5 a pound. Horse meat for sale, $5 a pound. You pick the horsey, I'll cut them up for you. Horse meat, $5 a pound. Pigeon meat, $3 a pound. Pigeon meat, $3 a pound. You pick it, I'll pluck it. Horse meat, $5 a pound. One day special, horse meat. Horse meat, $5 a pound. Selling horse meat. Horse meat, $5 a pound. Interested in horse meat? Pigeon meat. You pick them, I'll pluck them. Horse meat, $5 a pound. Pick the horse.
Thank you very much. No.
Mine tastes just the same as those ones. I'll find a different horse though, because I don't think he wants me chopping up his horse. Unless if you want to sell it for a good price, I'll serve them. Horse meat, $5 a pound. Pigeon meat? Hot dogs made of dogs, $6 a pound. Hot dogs made of dogs. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound. You pick them, I'll pluck them. Nope. Come on, what are all these people against animal cruelty? None of them want to buy my meat. Better than KFC and Chick-fil-A. Okay, I'm done having fun here in Columbus Circle. Tourists. Making them think about their animal products. Psst. I know you have a dog, but I sell hot dogs made of dogs. $5 a pound, fresh from the shelter. Also, pigeon meat, freshly plucked. You pick them, I pluck them, $6 a pound. Horse meat as well. A special just because I like you, horse meat. Horse meat? $10 a pound. People are no fun. They'll eat chicken, but not eat horse meat or pigeon meat.